Hey, what's going on, everyone? In this video, I want to cover a setup that I took today. It was on the YouTube live stream. And if you were not on the YouTube live stream, you can definitely go to my channel, look at the last live from today, and it's all the way towards the end of the video. But what I was looking at, what I was focused on was these hourly candles here on the left-hand side of my chart. We weren't really bouncing to the high side. We put in a little bit of a dead cat bounce. I wanted to be a lot more patient. I was involved in this drop off the open. And because, we had a little healthy P&L going for ourselves, I just not in the mood of chasing a bunch of scalps every single day. Not in these market conditions. For one, the volatility is sky high. The ranges are bigger than expected right now. It's very hard to manage stop losses, and I'm playing mini contracts. I could easily size down. I have sized down over the month of February. Now that we're into the month of March, I'm trying to feel it out and see what the price action is going to deliver. The market continues to sell off. We continue to see weakness here. We continue to see headlines with Ukraine and Russia situation and President Donald Trump. We continue to see headlines over tariffs with Canada and so forth. There's just a lot of things going on right now in the market where I feel like the market's a little uneasy. It's a little shaky. It's a little cautious right now, and that can cause whippy moves. Again, less trades is going to be your friend. If you manage to take one or two trades and you're profitable, you're probably better off coming back tomorrow and trying to do it again versus sitting there and trying to trade all day. If you take one or two trades and you happen to lose those two trades, you're also probably better off coming back tomorrow with a fresh set of eyes. So while we were in lunch, this is the lunch hour candle right here. What I was really looking at was we had a lot of resistance to the top side. I would have been interested in a long if we were to get over 20,969. Or if we were to confirm the lunch hour lows, which is right here on this candle, that's sitting right here at this 50-day moving average. So the 50 SMA, if we were to confirm that coming out of lunch, I was interested in that move. And that was the exact move that I was looking to take. Now, I got in a little bit early because I also at the same time, it was about maybe 15 to 10 minutes before the lunch hour had come to a close. I started to look at this big bear flag setting up on the 5-minute time frame. I got confluence with a 20 SMA play on a 5-minute time frame, also correlating with a flag, also correlating with being down at the bottom of the hour candle's lows. Those three check boxes gave me confidence to jump this candle here at 9:55. So actually 5 minutes before the lunch hour was over, Pacific Standard Time, I jumped into this candle short and just rode this down for about 12.5 points. Now, did I miss out on this candle and this candle? Absolutely. I went in with two mini contracts. I made around $500. I locked it up for the day. That's it. Again, what am I looking for right now until this market starts to get back on its feet one way or the other? What I'm really looking for right now is to take less trades. I'm really looking for multiple confluences to all align with each other. I really want to stay on the right side of whatever the hourly chart is doing. So if I have a long setup, but the hourly chart is pushing down, I'm going to ignore it. If I have a short setup, but the hourly chart is pushing higher, I'm going to ignore it. I want to see a 20 SMA setup along with a flag. I want to see confirming previous hour lows with a 5-minute 20 SMA or a 1-minute 20 SMA play. I don't just want to take, oh, here's a 20 SMA, let me take that. Here's another one. Let me go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. I really have no desire to do that right now. I want to catch bigger moves, meaning moves that have been setting up for a little bit longer that can potentially be more stronger when I get into them, meaning and resulting in a faster move. Meaning I don't have to sit here and try to trade back and forth and I need 10 dozen trades in a day to make a decent, living. If I can take one or two trades and I'm correct on those moves and it's $300, $400, $500 worth of value, I'm going to walk away from that and I'm going to come back tomorrow. And I'm just going to keep on trying to survive day by day by day. Right now is not the time when you want to put your foot to the gas, okay? There's a lot of uncertainty in the markets. We're getting headlines almost daily about tariffs with Canada, 25% this, 25% that, repercussions here, repercussions there. We are getting constant feedback and news from the Ukrainian President Zelensky and Trump and Vance and everything that's going on with the Russia situation and now NATO and all of this other stuff. You're getting an abundance of just different news on a day in and day out basis that is keeping this market unsteady. It's keeping this market very uneasy, and it's very quick to sell off. So when you have a market that's quick to sell off, what you're also going to get is immediate snapback bounces if it was an overreaction. What you're also going to get is a lot of fake outs. What you're also going to get is a lot of hard to manage stop losses because the ranges are so big. If you want to join a community, you want to get involved and trade with other traders who you guys can kind of learn from, and we can sit around the round table and go over different ideas and kind of, you guys can go through my course and see the different setups that I take. You can join Evolution Traders. If you guys need Apex evaluations, 80% off right now, use code DAnthony. Make sure to please hit the like button on your way out of here. That lets YouTube know that you guys actually enjoyed the content. I'll see all of you guys on the other video.